Thanks. Welcome back to Digitalk. So far I have posted many sessions on the AWS cloud. So this is the first session on Azure where I am going to give you some overview of the Azure portal. Okay. So if you are working on any of the cloud solutions, okay, so it's very easy for you to understand it. Okay. But if you do not have the knowledge of any of the cloud services, okay, then I am going to help you on that. Right. So to create a account on the Azure, okay, what you can do, you can go to the browser and search for Azure free sign up. Okay, you will end up on this particular page, which is Microsoft Azure official site. Create your free account today. Okay, you can click on this one, and here you will see the two options: try Azure for free and pay as you go. Okay, to create a free account, you can click on the try Azure for free. Okay, and then you will end up on the sign up page. Okay, where you have to provide some of your basic information. Okay, for example, your email ID, your first name, last name, and along with that you have to provide your phone number for the validations. Okay, and you have to provide the your credit card details as well. Okay, that is just for the authentication purpose, and Azure will not going to deduct any amount, okay, without your consent. And that is later when you are going to use the services inside the pay as you go model. Okay, so if you are going to use the free services or the free account of the Azure, okay, then there are a lot of services that are free which you can use. Okay, and you don't need to pay anything for that one, and that is free for up to the 1 year of a time, 1 year of a period. Okay, and along with that, Azure provide you the credit of 2000 USD, that is you can utilize for the initial 30 days after the sign up. Okay, to utilize for the paid services. Right, so that means apart from the free services, you will get a credit of the $200 that will be valid for the 30 days of period, and within 30 days you can utilize up to the 200 USD for the paid services as well. Okay, so if you're getting any problem during the sign up, okay, you can click on the chat option. You can chat with the salesperson, and that person will help you to generate a customized URL for you for the registration if you're encountering any issue during the free sign up. Right. So now let me show you a few more things. So this is a URL where you can see the benefit of the Azure free account, and second, pay as you go model. Okay, so initially, if you are learning the Azure cloud, okay, you can go with the Azure free account. Okay, and here you will get a lot of services that those are free. You don't need to pay anything for that one, and though all those services will be free for 1 year of period of a time. Okay, but still for the utilization of the services, you will have a certain limit. Okay, that what is the total limit of the each and every services that you can use for throughout the year of a time. Okay, and apart from that, we have a pay as you go model, so which include your free tier benefits. Along with that, it give you few more services that is free. Okay, and along with that, pay as you go model, that means if you're going to utilize any of the services which is not free or maybe apart beyond the free, okay, then for whatever the duration that you are using, you have to pay for that one. Right, that is called pay as you go. Okay, so now when we talk about the free tier, so you have a two, or you can say three type of a free services. The free tier is comprised of three different type of offerings. So 12-month free, always free, and short-term free trials. So services with 12-month free allow customer to use the product for free up to specific limit for 1 year of a time from the date of account was activated. So suppose you have created your account today. Okay, that means from today up to the period of 12 months, some of the services are free. Okay, but up to the specified limit. Okay, for example, you may have a 750 hours of the virtual machines. Okay, or you maybe have a one virtual CPU or two virtual CPU or 10 GB of storage per month. So there are certain kind of restrictions on the free services as well. Okay, that you can utilize up to the year of a time. Second category is services with an always free offer allow customer to use the product for free up to specified limit as long as they are an AWS customer. So some of the services are always free. Okay, so there is no specific limitations on that one, like the 12 month of a period of a time. So as soon as you are the customer of the AWS, you can all those services as free. right? And apart from that, you have some short trial as well for some of the services. You can utilize those services for trial purpose. Okay, so these are the three categories which you can use for the utilization of the free services from the Azure account, right? So now let me go to the portal. So this is once you will land up on the Azure portal after the login. Okay, so this is the initial screen that you will see for the Microsoft Azure cloud portal. Okay, so here on the right hand side you can see this is the username. Okay, and here you will see your email ID which you will use to sign up for the portal. Okay, and along with that you will see certain tabs are here. So the first one is, you can see this is a feedback tab. If you'd like to provide any of the feedback, then you can click on the first this one tab. Second, this is a question mark. If you have any questions or queries, okay, you need any kind of a help, then you can type here and click on go. You will get the complete help here. And then you will have a settings page. So if you click on this setting tab, so here you can see the directories and directories and subscriptions. Okay, what exactly is directory, that I will cover in the next session. So this is the initial session. I'm going to giving the overview of the portal. Okay, so this is the appearance and startup view. So if you would like to change the appearance of your portal, okay, for example, as I said, you will land up on this particular page uh, when you will log into your portal after the free sign up. Okay, so if you would like to change any of this appearance, then you can change it from here as well. Okay, and whenever we sign up for the account, then for that it select a region for that one. Okay, so these are the different regions. If you would like to change the region, then you can select it accordingly from here. In my case, the default region is the first one, which is the United States, right? And then apart from that, you have my information and then sign out and notification services that you can enable or disable. So this is the settings tab. Apart from that, you will have notifications. If you click on notification, then here you will see certain messages. Like you can see here, this is in INR 16,700 credits are remaining. That means almost 200 USDs are remaining that I can utilize for the first 30 days after the sign up, okay, to use the paid services. Okay, and here's the option, you can upgrade to pay as you go subscription. If you would like to upgrade your account, then you can upgrade from here as well. Okay, and now from the 16th of October 2024, multi authentication factor is mandatory now. So you have, once you will sign up, it will ask you for enable the multi factor authentication. That means you will get a code in your email ID as well once you will try to log into the Azure portal, right? So now this is the cloud shell, and what is the use of this shell? We will cover it later part. Then you have a co-pilot option. So co-pilot is an you can say is a help section, okay, where you can ask any of the questions or any of the doubt or any of the query that you have. You can type it here, okay, and it will give you the complete information about that one. Okay, and this is the search option. Here you can search the different kind of services that you have in your Azure portal. Okay, so whatever the services you would like to search, you can search it here. Okay, you would like to upgrade your account, then you can click on the upgrade. Okay, and then it will show you the option for the upgrade you for pay as you go, right? So now apart from that, this is the Microsoft Azure tab which you can click on. You will end up on the home. Okay, and this is the hamburger menu on the left hand side. So here you can see the different kind of a tabs. These are the different kind of a services, those are available here. But before that one, let me show you the few things, more things on the main page of your portal. Okay, so here you can see that view remaining credit. So as I said initially, Azure give you the $200 of a credit that is you can utilize for the 30 days of a period of a time to use for the paid services. Okay, it will be deducted, amount that will be deducted from the free credit. Okay, so if you'd like to check the free credit, then you can click on view remaining credit. Okay, and here you can see the free credit amount, whatever that you have. Okay, and apart from that, if you would like to browse the free services, you can click on this. Let me show you again. Click on this browse free services. Here you can see the different categories, like services that include monthly free amount for 12 months. That means, so whatever the services that are available in this particular category, these are the services are always free for you for up to a period of 12 months. Okay, but with a limitation. What is the limitation? You can see the Linux virtual machine. The limitation is 750 hours. Okay, this is Azure managed disk, which is a storage, which is 64 GB cross 2. If you are going to use the blob storage, then it is 5 GB. That means throughout the 12 months, you can utilize all these services with these kind of restrictions. Similarly, if you are going to create a Windows virtual machine, the available hours are 750 hours. And if you click on this one, then you can see the different kind of configurations, which is applicable under the free tier. So these are the services free for 12 months of a period with certain kind of a restrictions in terms of the configuration, right? And along with that, as I said, you have a certain services that are always free for you, okay, till you are a customer of the Azure. So these are the different services that are always free for you, okay. So now let me show you the main home screen. So this is, as I said, this is the home screen. There you will see a lot of different shortcuts for the Azure. Okay, now if you click on this hamburger, you can create a resource. If you click on create a resource, okay, then you will land up on this services page. So these are the different services that you can see on the left hand side, right? AI plus machine learning, analytics, blockchain, compute, containers, database. So whatever the services that you would like to create, you can click on that particular option, okay, and then you can create the services. For example, if you would like to create a virtual machine, you can click on the compute, okay, and here you can see that container instance, container registry, Windows server, Azure Quantum. There are a lot of different kind of services. These are the different OS and OS versions that you can use to create the different kind of resources from here inside the compute. Okay, similarly, you have a database. If you would like to create a database, then click on the database tab, and then you will get the different kind of a database options that is available here, and then create option. If you would like to search, then you can search here as well. Okay, now so these are the different Oracle database options. Okay, so let me go back again, create a resource. Right. So this is the option. Then we will, the next few sessions we are going to create like the database and virtual machines, and I will show you, okay, how to create, and then what are the different inputs that are required for you when you are creating virtual machines or maybe window machine or database, and then how you access that once it is created. Right. So now let me go back to this hamburger menu, and then this is the home page. You can click on the dashboard, and from here you can create a new dashboard as well. So this dashboard will be customized according to your requirement, so that once you will sign up to your account and once you will land up, so there are a lot of different kind of services in the portals, right? So specific services that you are going to utilize, for that you can create a customized dashboard, so that you will land up on your customized dashboard instead of the default dashboard, right? This is again the same tab, all services. From here you can see the different kind of services that is available on your Azure portal. Okay, and now if you scroll down here, okay, inside your favorite, so you can add your favorite services as well. Okay, now let me show you one thing. Okay, for example, the initial thing, that's, for example, you would like to create a virtual machines. Okay, so for that you can go, there are different options. You can go to the home, and from here you can click on the virtual machines and then create. Okay, and also you can go to the all services, and from here you can go to compute, and from here you also you can create. Okay, so there are different options are available for, and you can go here, and you can inside the favorite you can click on the virtual machines. Okay, this is the main page for your virtual machines. Okay, so whatever the virtual machines that you have in your account, all the machines will be displayed here. So as of now there is no machine. If you would like to create a new machine, so here you can click on create Azure virtual machine. Okay, and there is your option called Azure virtual machine with preset configurations. Okay, and then more virtual machines and related solutions. So there are different categories, so you can create a different kind of a virtual machines based on your requirement. What is the difference between them? I am going to cover in next few sessions. Right, now click on Azure virtual machine to create a virtual machine. Okay, you will land up on a page to create a virtual machine, and here the first thing that you will see the subscription. So okay, by default it is free tier, so because we are going to use the free tier, right? And apart from that, you have to provide some more inputs when you are going to create the virtual machines. Okay, so what is the purpose of that? We will cover it in the next section. Okay, so in the next section we are going to create a virtual machine, and then we'll show you how to create that, what are the inputs that you have to required when you are going to create the virtual machines, and then when it is created, how you can access this virtual machine from your local system with the help of some SSH tool like PuttyY. Okay, and what are the different requirements for that, like you need the key pair, right, for to access your services. That means you need a public and private key pair. So all these things we are going to cover in the next sessions. Thank you.